Welcome to AI for Business, the podcast where we bring you the latest AI news and AI tools that matter. I'm your host, and today we're covering Tesla's legal battle over stolen robotics files, Meta's AI privacy slip-up, and a new partnership between OpenAI and toy giant Mattel. We'll also introduce a tool that can help you launch an entire business from one place, plus a prompt tip that helps tailor your SEO content to what users actually want. Tesla has filed a lawsuit against a former engineer, accusing him of copying sensitive information from their humanoid robot project, Optimus, and using it to start his own robotics company. Jungjae Lee, who worked at Tesla until late 2024, is said to have downloaded confidential files about robotic hand sensors onto two of his personal phones. According to Tesla, he also researched robotic hands and venture funding while still employed, and just days after leaving, his new company Perception was officially registered. That company, now backed by startup incubator Y Combinator, claims to have already built advanced robotic hands that look very similar to Tesla's designs. Tesla says this timing isn't a coincidence, and the lawsuit paints a picture of inside knowledge being used to jumpstart a rival. Perception's website says it aims to reinvent how humans and robots interact by building the most advanced humanoid hands in the world. That might sound bold, but for Tesla, it's a serious concern, especially since their Optimus robot, first announced in 2021, is still not ready for release. While Tesla says it plans to sell the robot by 2026, most of the public demos so far have involved human operators behind the scenes. In another story catching attention this week, Meta's new standalone AI app is raising serious concerns about user privacy. The app, meant to let people interact with Meta's AI chatbot, includes a sharing option that lets users post their AI chats, but it turns out many people are doing this by accident. As a result, some very personal conversations are showing up in public view, including legal questions, sensitive medical topics, and even full names and addresses. All of this is being linked to Instagram profiles when those users are logged in through Meta's platform, and for many, it's unclear where exactly their conversations are being posted. Some of the examples going viral include people asking for help with things like avoiding taxes, explaining legal trouble, or asking about personal health issues, often without realizing the responses were being shared openly. Critics have pointed out that Meta didn't make the privacy settings clear enough, and the interface doesn't do a good job of explaining where these shared posts will appear. Next, OpenAI is moving into a surprising new space: toys. The company has partnered with Mattel, the maker of Barbie, Hot Wheels, and dozens of other popular brands, to bring generative AI into their product and content development. This is the first time OpenAI has teamed up with a toy company, but it's in line with its efforts to get AI tools into a broader mix of industries. For Mattel, this could be about more than just toys. The company has been expanding its entertainment arm with new movies, digital games, and streaming content based on its brands. While the details are still limited, Mattel says the partnership will lead to their first AI-powered product later this year. The company also made it clear that they're keeping full control of their intellectual property and that the focus will be on creating experiences that are safe and well thought out. As part of the deal, Mattel employees will use tools like ChatGPT Enterprise to help with brainstorming and product design. Today's AI tool to try is Tana. Tana is an AI-powered workspace built to handle everything from note-taking and project planning to meeting prep and content creation. With just a few inputs, it can turn your thoughts into tasks, web pages, or even full strategies. You can also use it to track agendas, goals, bugs, or investor updates, and everything stays organized without needing to dig through folders or apps. If you're managing projects, running meetings, or just want a better way to stay on top of your day, Tana offers one place to do it all. Link to try in the description. The prompt tip for today is about getting closer to what users really mean when they search. Ask your AI. List 3 different user intents that could trigger this keyword search. Now rewrite the meta title and description for each intent. This helps you move beyond generic search optimization and instead match your content to what people actually want. Matching your content to those needs can lead to better results and a more useful experience for readers. That wraps up today's episode of AI for Business. If you want to stay updated on the latest AI tools and AI news, hit subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. If you found this helpful, share it with a friend or someone on your team. And if you have a minute, leaving a quick review helps others find the show too. Thanks for joining me and see you next week.